For sale, 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty Crew. Cab utility truck, Knapheide service body with auxiliary fuel tank. This 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty Crew Cab is a dependable utility truck designed for serious work. It is powered by a 6.2L V8 flex-fuel gas engine generating 385 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed 6R140 automatic transmission for reliable and efficient performance. With a GVWR of 14,000 pounds and a 179-inch wheelbase, this truck offers both strength and space for your crew and gear. The truck is equipped with an 8-foot Knapheide service body that includes multiple external compartments for tool storage and job site organization. A key feature is the auxiliary fuel tank with an electric transfer pump, ideal for refueling equipment in the field. It also includes a tow package, factory trailer brake controller, and rides on a single rear axle with 4,250 lb front and 10,040 lb rear axle ratings. Other specs include spring suspension, steel wheels, a 40-gallon fuel tank, and hydraulic brakes. The truck is finished in a white exterior with a gray interior, delivering a clean, professional look. This is a one-owner, fleet-maintained vehicle with a clean Carfax and extensive service history. It has 103,701 miles and is in excellent condition, ready to join your work fleet.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.